Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I would like to post one more project video, and that video is based on biomedical engineering. So before going for execution of the code, just go to my page, YouTube page, and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much. So just go and run this button. It will open one GUI, that is graphical user interface. The title of the project is Red Blood Cell Cluster Separation from Digital Images for Use in Sickle Cell Disease Detection. So first you are supposed to click on Select Image button. So from database you have to select the image which consists of red blood cell. So I am going to select this image. Just click on Open button. So that image will display over this axis. Now we are going to find the binary image for equivalent grayscale image. So just click on binary image. It will convert this input image into binary image. Now just click on object cluster. It will find out the clusters of the input image, and our aim is to find out these elongated object from the input image. So just click on elongated object button. It will gives you proper output. So this image consists of total 3 elongated cells, and that cells are defected cells. The total time required for execution of this code is 1.12 seconds, and these are the some output parameters in which I have calculated the normal cell estimated, that is NC, that I am getting is 19. The elongated cell count is 3. The true positive rate for normal cell, that is TPR, is 0.8636. The true positive rate for elongated cell, that is TPR, is 0.1363. The precision for normal cell, that is P, is equal to 1. The TNR for normal cell class is 0.1363. The TNR for elongated cell class is 0.86. Now just click on Clear All button and just go for second image in the database. So I'm going to select second image from the database. So this is my input image. Now I just want to find out this elongated object from which is present in the input image. Just click on once again binary image. It will give you binary output. Now just click on object cluster once again. It will give you clustering of the object. Now the final button is elongated object. So just click on that button. It will give you proper output. That is it will find out the elongated cells. The total time required for this process is 0.60 seconds. Just click on OK. Now clear all these all contents and exit the GUI. Before that, just look at the output parameters. So these are the output parameters. Now just check out how much cells are there which are looks like a elongated cells. So it consists of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the count is 5. The total normal cells are 51 cells. So this image consists of total 51 normal cells, and 5 cells are defective cells. And these are the remaining output parameters. Thank you so much. Now just clear all this all content and finally exit this GUI. So for getting such kind of more project videos in DIP, just go to my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.